Hello guys, welcome to Trading Science. So in this video, I have five stocks for this week, and so for the previous stocks analysis and the result for that, you can check out the previous stock video, which is this one. And for this week, let's get into the stocks. So first one is for UBL. So UBL is basically for buying side now. You can see the resistance lines and support lines I have drawn. So this black trend line will be the stop loss line, and when the candle closes above this trend line, so you have to take the entry, and it is trading around the all time high. So there is a high probability of breaking and moving upside, so we can expect a good move towards upside in the UBL after the breakout. And you can keep stop loss below this black trend line. If a candle closing below this, like crossing closing candle, you can exit. Next one is Bharat Airtel. You can see this is one hour time frame Bharati Airtel, and if a candle closing above or below the levels, you can take the entry. If it is closing below the levels, it is for selling side. If it is closing above the levels, that is for buying, and you can keep a stop loss below swing. Let's say if it is breaking in tomorrow itself, you'll keep a stop loss here, or if it is coming down and breaking, then it will be a swing as a stop loss. Even the same side for selling also. The previous high swing will be stop loss for selling also. So Airtel is trading at around higher levels, all-time high. So it can keep going to upside if the market is supporting very well. So next one is Kotak Bank. So you can see here I have opened a one day time frame chart. So you can see there is a channel pattern in one day time frame. There is a resistance level here. I'm marking it as a red, and it is consolidation around the higher levels from last almost 15 days, 15 to 20 days, and there is a high probability of breaking the upside. So it had a break once, but it is not sustained in 1 hour time frame. Now, if there is any possibility of breaking, then it will give a good move to upside. So now there is a trend line trying in the downside levels. So this will be a support level, and this will be a SL level, stop loss level. So, and this is going to be a swing here. Any possibility of gap up opening, so we'll use a up move. So risky traders can take once a gap up open, or you can wait for the candle close, bullish candle close, green candle, or you can wait for the breakout in the above levels. So if you see in one day time frame, there is high probability of the upside only. So if it is closing any candle above, so it will be bullish, and the next target will be higher levels of this level. Okay. So next one is Colpal. So Colpal, you can see it is consolidation stage. It is in consolidation stage. So from here onwards, it is consolidation within a range, correct? So if there is any possibility of breaking this level, so I expect again after breaking this level, there will be a consolidation here and then breakout here. So there is a high probability of for the upside move. So this stock will be our option hedgers, like whoever do hedging and all. So it is helpful for them, and I don't think this is good for buying options and all. But future also you can buy. You have to be patient. So for option sellers, this is going to be good stock. So if you go for 1 hour time frame, you can see a good consolidation. And is there any chance of closing a 1 hour candle above this level? It will be a good entry for Colpal. So next one is Indigo. Indigo is for selling side. So let's go to one day time frame. In the one day time frame, it is consolidation around the top levels. You can see this is a top level trend line, and it is around the resistance level, and this is also bottom trend line. So there is a possibility of break upside or downside also, and for that, for the entry, we go for lower time frame. So you can see here there is a small pattern formation here, and there is a high probability of breaking downside if any candle closing below this trend line. So that would be your entry, and previous swing will be your stop loss, and risk reward has to be above 1 is to 2, minimum 1 is to 2. After that, 1 is to 3 you can take. So there is a high probability of a selling side, so you can plan selling. So in case if it is breaking upside also, you can plan for buying side. So these are the five stocks for this week. Thank you for watching. For previous analysis, you can go and check out the previous stocks, and those stocks are doing well, very well. And you can check out the Tata Motors investment strategy. It is very good time to invest in Tata Motors. Don't miss the stock. As well as check out the stock of the month stock also.